What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 30th of March. It's Saturday morning. We're taking a look at Arcblock today / Tether. This will be the Gate.io data. Ticker symbol ABTUSDT. Markets are in the red a little bit. Bitcoin is just about flat. It's up 96.48 on this Easter weekend. That's 0.14%. Just about flat in my book. Arcblock is down 3.42%. Nothing too concerning. We're going to talk about some levels to keep your eye on, guys, as we head in to this weekend. Welcome to the channel, guys. So a couple levels here we're going to talk about for this Arcblock chart as markets were breaking out and have broken out, I should say, the past couple days here. Let's get the arrow tool. Once again, this is a daily chart. We're on tradingview.com. I suggest that you take a screenshot or just pause this video and write down the price levels I have on the chart if you're interested in watching those as markets move anyways. Take a screenshot, write them down. We have a higher high that took place 2 days ago. 3 days ago. So as we're in this consolidation that goes back to our date of the 24th of February. A lot of choppy trading action. We had a nice little rally into a new range that took place on the 21st of March. That was a higher high. We took out the highs over here on the 17th of March. Started to pull back. This day right here was critical, the 24th, and even the 23rd. Higher lows here. So we didn't get back into these lows here down at the 149 range. We are up higher at 155 or so. That was a critical time to keep an eye on. That's what I look for. When these markets start to turn, I look for a higher high, which took place on the 21st of March. And then as we pull back, if it's going to get ready to change its trend higher, I look for a higher low, like I said, which took place on the 24th. Critical time to notice here on charts. And then the leg that follows, the leg up, the rally that follows can be very strong. And that's exactly what we saw. It was a big move. We got a higher high once again on the 27th, another one on the 28th. And then so far we are pulling back. We have an inside day on the 29th. And so far today, not an inside day, we actually have a new low today. So this rally that followed this higher low to where we're currently trading, 22%. The highs of this move, 32%. So we're down about 10 off the highs. We're stair-stepping back to the upside. We have the higher low, or the higher high, the higher low, another higher high. We'll see where this low comes in. Is it another higher low? An area of importance to keep your eye on this holiday weekend here, this Easter weekend, the 618 fib. That's this white line on the chart right here. The 0.618 fib level gets you at a price of $1.95. The sooner these markets get back above $1.95, the better. That is a very important area. We need to see markets get back above that sooner or later. Is a pullback just going to stop because that area is important? No, of course not. Continuing to pull back here, areas of support below the market, most likely to find support if this breakout is going to hold and not fail, would be down here at roughly, like, you can use this fib here, the 0.5. It's like 183, 184. But basically, like the tops of these candles here. So like 182, between 182 and 184 is an area of importance and if markets can continue to pull back here. It only puts the price down another you can call it 4 to 6% down lower. And that level, like, once again, it's right here on the chart. It's old resistance flipping into support if we pull back. So that's something to keep your eye on. But like I said, the sooner we get back above $1.95, which is this area right here, the better. So far, markets are breaking out. There's nothing to be concerned about right now. If we start to pull back below this 183, 181 level, this fib level here, that's when things start to get concerning, as in perhaps this breakout is not going to hold and we're heading lower. If you have a scale and on the right hand side is bullish, on the left hand side is bearish, we are well above the neutral, which would be in the center level of that scale. But the more we pull back, the more that scale starts to go to one neutral and then into actually bearish territory. We're still above the neutral. We're still in bullish territory. Pullbacks are normal. It's healthy. It's what markets do. Even during breakouts higher and breakdowns lower, they move. They don't just go straight up every day, and they don't go straight down every day. And if they do, it's not sustainable. It's not healthy. So, like I said, market broke out. We're getting a pullback. We have levels we're watching, and that's about all we can do, and just let the markets do what the markets do. So once again, we'll talk about these prices. We want to get above $1.95 sooner than later. We don't want to pull back much further than $1, basically $1.83, $1.80 to $1.83. That's roughly, if we start to pull back much lower than that, like we find ourselves down here at $1.73 or even lower, down there to 163,800, not good. Definitely not good. I'm probably just going to be trading in a choppy, more sideways range. So we'll see where these markets find support. If we start to rally back above $1.95, next level to keep your eye on is the 786 fib level. That's going to put you up right around like 213 or so. And then we watch the highs over here at 239. And once we get above that, if we get above that, we have a whole cluster of price to watch. 243 and then up to 289. So this whole cluster of price targets here. But one day at a time, one step at a time. Let's see where these markets find support. Let's jump over to Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts on Arcblock, by the way. Are we going higher? Are we going lower? If we go higher, how high are we going? If we go lower, how low are we going? Keep in mind, my targets here for Arcblock are still up there in the $8 to $10 range. Now, that's not going to happen today. It's going to take time, and we need Bitcoin to really start hitting our much higher targets for this to take place. But there's a lot of other stopping points before you get way up to that $8 to $10 range. Over to Bitcoin, guys. BTC USD is up $148 right now. Bitcoin is in a cup with handle. And so far, the handle area is pretty quiet, which is good to see. Not too much selling, not too volatile. Got this cup here, got this handle. We have a breakout zone above here, the 27th of March. We are trading in between our two zones here, which are 68,748. And we're also trading below 71,335. So that's these two purple lines here. We are not down below and we are not up above. We are in between. So we'll see. We need Bitcoin to get above 71,335 and start to rally. And then we need to also get above 73,494. We start to break down too much lower, like I said, it's not good. We need this higher low to hold, and we need to put in a higher high, and that's going to take care of the rest of the markets like Arcblock, Pangolin, Casper, XRP, you name it. All will follow Bitcoin at some point. Maybe not right away, but at some point. If Bitcoin rallies, the rest of the market will at some point catch up. Guys, that's my thoughts. We'll be back throughout the weekend. Let me know your thoughts on Arcblock, Bitcoin, the rest of the markets. Have a great Easter weekend. We'll catch you in the next one.